Once again, good morning student. In previous video, we have discussed about intramural and extramural tournament. Today, we are going to start a new topic, specific sports program. Specific sports program are such programs of sports which are not usually related to competition. Not related to competition. These sports programs have various objectives such as creating awareness, among people regarding health, unity, and diseases. We are also said that a specific program are arranged to show public attention on social issue. These events arranged with a specific objective by federation, state government and different NGOs. These programs main objective is to raising funds for NGOs and other organization. जैसा हम लोग जानते हैं कि अलग अलग टाइप के प्रोग्राम्स रन किए जाते हैं. इनका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव टू कलेक्ट और रेज द फंड फॉर दीज नोबल कॉजेज. These programs include health run. These programs include health runs, run for unity, run for awareness, and many more. Health run are organized by health department. The purpose of conducting health run is very clear. As we know, health run is a great physical activity that offers a significant health benefit. Health run does not require any specific preparation. जैसा हम लोग जानते हैं इन रेसेस के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कोई स्पेसिफिक प्रिपरेशन की नीड नहीं होती है. फॉर हेल्थ रन वी आर only require a pair of shoes, and light clothes. There is no competition in it, but registration of participant is to be performed in advance. The date and time is also fixed in such kind of program, and the specific distance around 3 to 5 kilometer. Our next run is Run for Unity. In such kind of run organized for a specific purpose, to show unity, peace, and brotherhood among different religions. Its main purpose to create national and international integration and brotherhood. A lot of people participate in such races from corporate world, it means businessmen. In such kind of race, film stars and famous athletes are also take part in it from different countries. The cash prize is also given to first 3 position holder. The distance of these races is around 6 to 8 kilometers. As like health runs, in these races a pair of shoes, a light cloth is required, and participation is also required before start the races. Our next race is Run for Awareness. Run for Unity. One of the example is Mumbai Marathon, Delhi Marathon, and many more. Run for a specific cause or run for awareness. Are similar. In such kind of run which is related to good and noble cause, such kind race is related to good and noble cause. Such kind of runs organized by various NGOs and state governing bodies. In such kind of races, prize can be given to the position holder. In all such kind of races, main purpose is to raise fund. Main purpose is to raise funds like all other races like health runs and run for unity. The main purpose of all these races is to raise funds, but the causes should be noble. But the cause should be noble. Like we are run for a specific cause like AIDS, swine flu, and maybe in future we can organize run for corona. So in this topic we can learn various kind of specific sports program that not counted in competition, but they are organized for awareness and spread health of an individual.